Lydia, Sajid, you guys gonna take care of the leak in section 11?
Yeah, we'll block it off this week.
AJ, Rachel, how's inventory coming along?
That's for tomorrow.
And Rin, you're gonna attend to the fire today? Abby, how many days are left?
5.
What are you drawing?
Mom?
Could you try drawing something else today?
She could still come back, you know.
Help me count this week's rations.
Seems like we're blocking off new sections every day.
Yeah, the leak is getting pretty bad.
Hey, I think there's a dry section on the wall over here. I'm gonna get it.
No! We cannot risk getting you in contact with this rain. Besides, you need to rest. So let me do it. You can have my rations.
The calendar has ended. It's time for us to see if the rain is safe, if the world is ready for life. Someone brave will get the honor to go above, and I know some of us are scared, but this could be the year. It's time to let fate decide. Rachel, we won't forget you.
No. No. Rachel's not going.
The way it's always been.
No, it's not fair. Our mother was the last one to leave. Our family has done their part. It's
AJ,
someone else's...
AJ,
No.
stop. It's fine. I'll find Mom. I'll find Mom. It'll be
Rachel,
fine.
you're not gonna find Mom. Mom is gone.
Just let her go. You can follow in your mom's footsteps.
That's easy for you to say. She's not your family. You don't even have any family.
She will have a family.
What does he mean? Are you pregnant? How could you be so stupid? We don't have doctors, we don't have food, we don't have anything.
draw a stick,
She
Michelle.
doesn't need to draw a stick. She's the leader. Are you gonna lead?
What are you gonna do? What's that mean? Just
I
because
have
she's
been
a leader?
leading
the
you
colony
broke
for
the
years.
rules. Everyone knows. We don't have to know. That's not part of the plan. No, stop it, Rachel. That's not part of the plan.
Goddamn person, okay? Wait, guys. Why don't we just ask? Where's Rin?
It seems complicated at first, but really it's quite simple. Rin?
on time.